What's good, crypto gang? Welcome back into the channel. I hope you're having a blessed Sunday. Today we're going to explore the Aave cryptocurrency, so sit back, relax, pour a glass of wine, have yourself a coffee, and let's unravel the crypto world together. So we can see on crypto bubbles we are getting a bit of a bearish reversal here for all of the cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. We were very green a few days ago. Naturally we're going to start seeing corrections there. Aave is doing pretty well. It's a rank 50 now. It's top 50. Has recently pumped quite nicely, trading now at $90 with a $1.27 billion market cap. So are we going to see some bullish continuation for Aave here? Let's look at a short-term price prediction on this side of the year, as well as the price prediction for the next crypto board. And guys, if you're new to the channel, slap that subscribe button because we're nearly at 10k subs and some crazy things are happening. I'm also doing a $1,000 giveaway, so do like and retweet this, or just simply subscribe to the channel to automatically enter. So looking at Aave, I did a bit of research. We can see got a really bullish thread here from Aave. They recently tweeted just a few days ago, JPMorgan has executed its first live trade with real balance sheet funds in DeFi using a modified version of the Aave protocol on the Polygon mainnet as part of the Monetary Authority of Singapore's Project Guardian. So that's super bullish. We can see here just going down as we hear on 505. Transacting on a public blockchain using Aave smart contracts is a huge milestone for the DeFi world and represents a massive step towards bringing traditional financial assets into the DeFi space to fully realize the opportunities afforded by the smart contract based decentralized applications. That's extremely bullish. This whole thread here, the relationship, the partnership with JPMorgan, having this integration here, this collaboration is going to be really good for the DeFi world, and I hope this will excel Aave into the thousands by the next crypto bull run. Let's remind ourselves of what Aave is: earn interest, borrow assets, and build applications. So we can see 7.9 billion, guys, is locked in liquidity across 7 networks and over 13 different markets. So it's very bullish. I'm very bullish on the future of Aave, and I think a lot of goodness is gonna happen. Speaking of goodness, guys, get yourself down into my Discord channel down below in the comment section or the description. Over 2,000 people are in the Discord. We're all talking about DeFi, staking, and much more. You can also see, just scrolling down, we're talking about the next biggest pre-sales. We've got IMPT, Dash to Trade, and Calvaria. We just had the holders in this community make up to 20x from Tamadoge and 7.5x from Battle Infinity. So if you don't want to miss out on the next 10 to 100x opportunities, make sure you get yourself into the Discord. And of course, a huge thanks to all the patrons that are subscribed as VIPs. There are only 2 slots available. So if you want to upgrade your VIP ranking or your current existing rank in the Discord, you can also have a free entry as well. I mean, you don't need a rank to join, but if you do want to be part of the community that gets early access to the pre-sales, so you can jump in at stage 1 and have the most upside potential, as well as all the trading signals, the free ebook, as well as the leverage trading signals too, then do consider becoming a VIP just for £20 per month. So you will find a lot of value, and I want to let you guys know that there's going to be many more pre-sales that we're looking up in the upcoming months, so you don't want to miss out on them. Of course, we've got IMPT, Dash to Trade, and Calvaria. The ROI is still pending, but I just want to urge you guys to potentially subscribe, because if you care about crypto and you want to expose yourself to high value opportunities, check out my Patreon membership page down below as well, because some of these tabs on the left here are just for VIPs, like the trading signals, as well as the VIP pre-sales section where we're talking about the next pre-sales and all the intricate details that come with it. So let's have a look at Aave right now, guys. What's going on? We are technically in a massive broadening descending channel, as you can see, and the vertical lines do highlight those oversold positions. So we've been oversold 4 times, and each one did present a good pump, a good opportunity. If you held, you'd made 45% on that one. If you held all the way through, you'd have actually made a 93% if you bought in on the oversold position. But yeah, we're looking for oversold positions. We just got rejected in almost an overbought position here, a little bit similar to over here where we got rejected over at the top of the channel at $227. So what I'm looking for from Aave now we've actually bounced out that fallen wedge, is a nice strong reversal, a correction here up to the target of $115. That'd be a really good place to see Aave basically retest. I'm not sure if it 100% will, but looking at the data here, there is a good chance that we could get a bullish reversal up to the $115 level. So that's what I'm looking for, a little bit of a retracement, which we're getting right now from this particular pump, bouncing off that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, and we're still above the 20-day moving average on the daily time frame. So it's looking pretty bullish still. Moving into the 4-hour time frame, checking out the Bollinger Bands, you can see we're not overextended, we're not underextended. We're trying to tackle that 20-day moving average once again. And if Aave can come up, I do speculate that we might actually pump towards the $115 level, which is a really, really key resistance. I do think $100 is going to be in sight soon for Aave. Of course, we got rejected at $98. And I think in 2022, we're still going to see a retest of this $115 level. Now for the future, looking at, say, 2025, I'm extremely bullish, guys, extremely bullish. Let's remove these Bollinger Bands. We can see this is what we're presented with in the macro scale. Let's remove our 20-day moving average. By the way, we are just breaking through that now, which is a bullish signal, but the last time we did, it was very short-lived, and we got rejected at $259, and we came back down. So I think Aave has technically already bottomed out around about the $52 level back in June, where Bitcoin crossed the 200-week moving average. And what we're looking for now is targets by 2025 to 2030. And we can quite simply do that by using our Fibonacci extension. And, this is what we get. We get the golden fib around $1,052. Hyper bullish targets over here at 1.4k, 2.2k, and also 2.6k. So these are all numbers that we could potentially see by 2025, if not 2030. And I think it's very, very possible. You're looking at a 10 to 50x from current price levels. And another interesting thing about Aave, it's almost like we're trying to actually produce a bit of a double bottom reversal here. Of course, not really a textbook one, but you got that swing low, you got that swing high at the neckline, you're getting a swing low again, and another swing high. So you could actually probably call it more of an ascending triangle if we just quickly join up these lows here. We've got a lot of space, of course. There is still space for retracement and rejection. Let's move that. You can see here. So I think the bearish scenario is, of course, we retest around the $75. We come down, we get a bounce to the upside, and then we break up. If I was to put a time frame on this, I'd probably say December to see the breakout up to $115 onwards. I do think it's very possible. We could either just shoot straight up, aim for 115, or retrace and then swing back high up to the $115 level. So very, very keen to see what might happen here, guys. Looks really, really bullish in my opinion, and we did actually break out that falling wedge position from the $64 level. And if you got in at that $64 right here, you'd be up still 39% today. So that's why sometimes it's really worthwhile buying into the fear. Now, looking at the altcoin season index, we're still not in an alt season. We're sitting at 41 at the moment. So it suggests to us that, okay, altcoins are kind of chilling, but Bitcoin is also kind of chilling as well as it loses its dominance. And the rainbow chart, of course, a really nice metric here, is still suggesting that we are in a dollar cost averaging and accumulation zone, so it's safe to potentially buy crypto. Here, the downside is minimized, and therefore the overall risk with the investment is also minimized too. And now I want to talk about 3 interesting pre-sales. We had Tama Doge do great, we had Battle Infinity do amazing, Lucky Block, DeFi coins also did amazing as well in their past time. So now we're looking at a play to earn card game called Calvaria. Really, really bullish ecosystem and tokenomics. Have already raised $1.5 million in a crypto bear market, which is absolutely fantastic. If we look at the competitors or similar games and card games out there like Gods Unchained or Spellfire or Splinterlands, we can see Calvaria has got the competitive edge. So I'm very excited to see this one go live. I'll certainly be doing some gameplay videos for this one. The second one is IMPT. Raised $12.3 million, already at pre-sale. Phase 2, it will be reaching phase 3 soon, where the price goes up to $0.028 per IMPT token. So it's always recommended to get into these pre-sales during the earlier phases to maximize your upside potential. So it's gonna get to 25 million probably in the next 4 to 8 weeks. It's selling out rapidly. They already sold 667 million tokens, and this is one of the green tokens that we're looking at on this channel. And the next one is going to be the Dash to Trade token. I really, really like this one. I hold a lot of it myself. I'm going to quickly connect my wallet just to show y'all. Hopefully I don't have to type in my password. That would be kind of lame. I think I do, so I'm not going to do that on camera. But yeah, you know, Dash Trade provides crypto trading, signals, predictions, and social analytics. I do hold about $18,000 worth of this one, by the way, guys. It's already raised a whopping $5.3 million, and it will have 9 pre-sale stages. So we're just on stage 3 at the moment. It's still nice and early to get into this pre-sale. More information down below. I'll link you all 3 of them down below if you want to check any of them out. And of course, remember to get into the Discord where we're talking about each pre-sale individually. We've got the Calvary here, the Dash to Trade here, we've got the IMPT token here, and of course Tamadoge, which has already gone live and did a whopping 2,000% increase already in the Discord and discuss. So please do consider becoming a patron if you're new here. Like I say, only 2 left, 98 are already sold, so they will not be available for much longer. They're selling out like hotcakes, guys, or fireworks on a bonfire night. These things will go quickly, and I'm not sure if I'm going to increase the slots from 100 just yet. It really depends on the demand and what you guys think of it, but I would like to urge you to check that out. So find that down below, check out the Discord down below as well, and make sure you look at the 3 pre-sales that we were just talking about. Of course, Aave is looking amazing, but I think for the next 6 months, I think we're looking, you know, at rather diminished potential upside because we're in a bear market. It's already had its euphoric phase of the market cycle, but the pre-sales, of course, they give you the advantage to get into a token before it's hit the public sale on exchanges, giving you a nice benefit of an early beta sale investor price. So yeah, that's about a wrap. Always bullish on Aave. Always going to be bullish, but I'm more bullish on these pre-sales. Anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's see 8,500. I love you all. Thanks so much for the support, and I shall see you soon. Stay crypto safe. Have a blessed day. Enjoy the rest of your weekends. See you soon.